everyone, hope you have been well. So today I'm back with doing a Singaporean recipe. Today I'll be making a Singaporean fried rice. So alright, let's get started. So okay, I'm gonna start off with the shallots and garlic. So cut off the top and the bottom of the shallot, cutting in half. And start peeling the shallots. Do it the same for the garlic as well. So okay, you can choose to slice it or finely chop it. So I'm gonna slice it. Okay, move it to one side. And next the shallots, I'm gonna slice it as well. Okay, so when you finish cutting it, put it into a bowl. So okay, next, get your spring onions. So I'm just gonna need a little of the spring onion for garnish. So fold it into half and start finely chopping it. Okay, so just 1/4 to half of the spring onion is enough. So okay, put it into a bowl as well. So next up, chicken breast. I'm gonna use approximately 100 grams of the chicken breast. I won't be marinating the chicken breast, so I'm gonna cut it into very small cubes. So okay, when you have done cutting it, put it into a bowl as well. Okay, next, I'm going to be peeling the prawns. Okay, so peel off the head of the prawn first, peel off the back, and the shells. So okay, one down, so do the same for the rest. Okay, next, I'm gonna devein the prawn, give it a quick wash and pat dry. Be careful when you're deveining the prawn, so cut the back of it and see whether there is any veins inside for you to remove it. So okay, do it the same for the rest of the prawns. Okay, so when it's done, give it a quick wash and pat dry with paper towel. Okay, after pat drying it, keep it to one side. Okay, next, 2 eggs, crack it. I'm gonna season it with light soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper. Okay, so seasonings to go in, half teaspoon of light soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper. So give it a quick mix. Okay, after mixing it, put it to one side. Okay, next, I'm gonna start cooking the whole fried rice dish right now. So on your heat, on it to high heat. So approximately 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and in the garlic and the shallots. Okay, when the aroma of the garlic and shallots is out, add in the chicken breast. So cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, next, add in half cup of chopped carrots and peas each. So when the carrots and the peas are soft, it's time to add in the rice. So keep stirring and remove any lumps between the rice. Okay, next, make a well in the center. I'm going to add in the eggs in the center. So okay, add in your eggs. And quickly stir it. When it's about to be done, do your last few seasonings. Half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil. Pinch of salt. And a pinch of pepper. Okay, so when it's done, it's time to get ready to plate the dish right now. So get your bowl. And just garnish with spring onions. So now it's done. So alright, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to see more videos from me. Bye!